At the end of this module, you will be able to identify the pressure exerted by liquids, identify the pressure exerted by gases. All the liquids exert pressure on the base and walls of their containers. All the liquids have weight. So, when we pour a liquid into a vessel, then the weight of the liquid pushes down on the base of the vessel, producing a pressure. The pressure in a liquid is not the same at all the depths. The pressure exerted by a liquid changes with depth in the liquid. Actually, the pressure exerted by a liquid increases with increasing depth inside the liquid. The fact that the pressure of a liquid increases with depth can be demonstrated by using the apparatus shown in figure. A tall vessel has three short and thin tubes A, B and C fitted at different depths from the top of the vessel. The three tubes are of equal diameters and corks are fitted into them. The vessel is filled with water and then all the corks are removed quickly. On removing the corks, the water from the uppermost tube C is found to travel the shortest distance from the base of the vessel. The water from the middle tube B goes little further away, whereas the water from the lowermost tube A shoots out farthest of all. From the above activity, we conclude that the depth of water in the vessel increases, the pressure exerted by water also increases. In general, we can say that the pressure of a liquid increases with depth. In other words, the greater the depth of a point in a liquid, the greater is the pressure. All the gases exert pressure on the walls of their containers. Though pressure is exerted by all the gases, but since air is the most common gas, therefore we will discuss the pressure exerted by air in detail. Air pressure arises due to the constant collisions of the tiny molecules of the gases present in air with the walls of the containers in which it is enclosed. High air pressure produced by gas molecules on the walls of the balloon causes it to expand and get inflated. Similarly, when air is pumped into a bicycle tube by using a pump, the bicycle tube gets inflated due to the air pressure exerted by the collision of gas molecule in air with the inner walls of the rubber tube. The air pressure in the bicycle tube makes the bicycle tire feel hard. In this module, you have learned that all the liquids exert pressure. The pressure exerted by a liquid increases with increasing depth inside the liquid. All the gases exert pressure.